Hi everybody, I'm Master Kelley. Welcome to your virtual pad work lesson of today. Now in today's video, what we're going to do is that instead of hitting the pads, I'm going to be holding the circle. Okay, what I want you guys to do is that every time you see the circle, you throw a punch or a kick. I want you guys to be creative. You can throw any punch and kick that you've learned, but make sure when you see the circle, you try to aim for that target. Now, be very careful. Don't hit your TV, don't hit your screen. Make sure you're still far away from it, but try to aim in the direction it is. So whether it's to this side of me, make sure you punch here. If it's on this side, punch here. If it's over my head, right, try to jump up and hit it. Okay, ready? I'm gonna have your hands up, fighting stance. Awesome, all right, ready? And everyone, go, punch. Good job, ready, go, punch. Good job, punch. Nice, good job, punch. Good work, everybody, punch. Good, punch. Oh, nice, good punch, you guys are really strong. Ready, go, punch. Nice, good. Now every once in a while you can throw kicks as well, okay? Ready? And go. Nice, good. Go. Good, go. Good, make sure I don't trick you. Ready? Go. Nice, good job. Go. Good work. Go. Oh, good, nice, good one about that one. Ready? Go. Nice, good job. Go. Awesome, good work. Go. Awesome, good. Go. Good, nice, ready, one more, go. Awesome, good. All right, now this time, here's what I want you guys to do. I'm gonna hold it in the middle, and I want you guys to throw as many punches as you can. Okay? Ready, get set, go. Punch. Good. Keep punching. Good, 10, 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Oh man, you guys are really fast and strong. Okay, all right, now if you haven't been kicking yet, now's the time. We're gonna practice kicks. This time, if I go down here, that means I want you guys to throw a round kick down low. If I throw it up here in the middle, throw a round kick in the middle. If it's up above my head, try to do a jumping kick, maybe a scissor round kick if you remember that one. Ready? Okay, ready, and go, round kick. Nice, good job, round kick. Good work, ready, round kick. Nice, good job, you guys. Again, round kick. Good, round kick. Good, Jen, round kick. Awesome, all right, now one more time. This time, use the other leg if you haven't yet. Okay, make sure you use the other leg. Ready? And go, round kick. Nice, good job. Here we go, round kick. Good work. Round kick. Good, nice. Again, round kick. Good job. Round kick. Good, one more time, round kick. Awesome, good job. All right, now this time, here's what I want you guys to do. I'm gonna hold the circle like this. I want you guys to round kick as many times as you can this way. When I say switch, you get a round kick on the other side. Does that make sense? You guys say yes, sir? Awesome, all right, ready? Hands up, fighting stance. And go, round kick. Good, non-stop, energy. Keep kicking it. Ready, now switch legs, switch. Good. Keep kicking with that leg, keep kicking with the other leg. Okay, switch. Good job, good. Wow, you guys are really strong. I can't hold on that way. Ready, switch. Nice, good job, one leg, good. And switch. Good, one more time, last one, switch. Good, nice, good job, you guys, high five. Awesome. All right, now, last thing we're going to do today. Here's what I want you guys to do. I'm going to be holding the circle like this. Now, I'm going to be throwing the circle around in a lot of spots. Okay, now what I want you guys to do is that make sure when you are throwing your strike, keep your hands up, they're tight to your face, and every time you throw something, you pull it back to your face, no matter how fast I'm going. Does that make sense? Awesome. All right, so we're going to combine punching and kicking this time, okay? Ready, and go. Punch. Nice. Kick. Good. Punch. Good. Kick. Nice. Good job. Other side now. Punch. Good. Kick. Good. Punch. Kick. Kick. Nice. Good job, you guys. High fives. Awesome. Very good job today. I want to show you yet? Yeah. Awesome. I'll see you guys in the next lesson. Bye-bye.
Hey parents, are you looking for a way to help your child get more active, more confident, more resilient, and more focused? Hi, my name is Taylor Kelley, creator of Dojo Go, and today I would like to introduce to you our very own app called Dojo Go TV. Our app will give you access to a library of different courses updated throughout the year for your kids to enjoy full-length lessons away from YouTube. This means no ads, no suggested videos, and your membership continues to support Dojo Go content. Each series inside the app takes your kids on an interactive story to help them not only learn the moves from martial arts, but also have lots of fun along the way. Members on the app will be able to join a weekly Zoom lesson that meets every Saturday at 2:30 p.m. Central Standard Time. Our app is also available on Roku devices as well as computers. If you're ready to start, click the link below to join our program now.